Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today, we are back with Kyle in the kitchen as he makes delicious rainbow cookies. This is an easy and quick craft. If you have paperboard, tissue paper, and liquid glue, you are good to go. For the rainbow M&M add-ins, we used puffy paint. But if you don't have this, you can substitute with fun foam, coloured cardstock, or even tiny seed beads. So, let's get making! As a guide, we are using a cookie from the Gourmet Kitchen set. On recycled paperboard, draw a rectangle 4 by 3.5 centimeters. If you don't have an AG cookie to trace, you can freehand a wonky circle shape inside the rectangle. As you can see, it's not a perfect circle. Trim down your paperboard, then glue on 2 more pieces of paperboard for strength. Now, cut out your cookie shape. For the next step, you will need tissue paper, liquid glue, and a paintbrush. Cover the front, sides, and back of the cutout with glue. Take a square of tissue paper and pinch the center to crumple it. Drape it over the cutout. You want to press the tissue firmly so it makes wrinkles and clumps on top of the cookie, whilst also smoothing it around the sides to keep your original cookie shape. Cover the cutout with more liquid glue, being sure to get underneath the folds of the tissue paper. Use your paintbrush to push, mold, and flatten the tissue. This step is all about creating texture. When you are satisfied with the look, add the next sheet of tissue paper. In total, we did 6 sheets, alternatively draping the tissue over the front for one round and then over the bottom for the next. When you have created enough volume and texture, set the cookie aside to dry. Here are some we made earlier. To transform our cutouts into cookies, we made a paint mix of 4 parts white to 1 part yellow ochre. Apply several coats of this light cream colour. The hardest part is leaving them alone to dry between coats. While waiting, we can make the rainbow M&M add-ins. We chose to use coloured puffy paint. Gently squeeze the bottle to make little drops. If you pull the nozzle upward at the end, it will make a peak. You need around 3 of each coloured drop per cookie. When the base coats are dry, make a new paint mix that has more yellow ochre for a light brown shade. As before, paint the whole cookie, then let it dry. To pull out the texture, dry brush the top and sides with yellow ochre paint. This step gives the cookie a warm, freshly baked look. Let's add the rainbow add-ins. Simply place an M&M drop into liquid glue. We were highly influenced by the cookies from American Girl's sleepover set. Off screen, we referenced images for the colour pattern and arrangement. To seal the cookies, you can use matte Mod Podge, clear nail polish, or even school glue. Be generous with your sealant and make sure to give the sides and around the M&M drops extra attention. When the top is dry, cover the bottom of the cookie too. We found these cute takeaway eraser sets at Kmart. The tray is the perfect size for an AG doll baking tray. That's it! Now the dolls have delicious rainbow cookies to serve at a sleepover, party, or just for a snack. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and consider subscribing to Always Dolls for more miniature crafting fun.